We have gone over the basics of Formik and how to build forms. Let's now look at an example to demo the various Formik features. Initial values represent the values the form mounted with. The enable reinitialize flag is set to false, which does not render the updated values. Here we have time as one of the values, however it is not updating the field. Values, on the other hand, represents the updated form values. By updating the enable reinitialize flag to true, the clock is now updating the form and the values data. Another flag is the validate on blur, which will trigger the form validation when you focus out of a field. I have set validate on blur flag to false, so the form does not validate when it loses focus. However, the field continues to trigger the validation because the validate on change flag is set to true. Let's also set the validate on change flag to false and set the validate on mount flag to true and refresh the page. The initial values will trigger validation as soon as the form is rendered and mounted. You can also find the settings in the React DevTool by searching for Formik and checking within the Formik context. Formik allows you to choose specific types of validation, and you can choose to have any combination of validation triggers depending on the experience you want to provide. This ends the Formik walkthrough to introduce the nuances of Formik. I will be posting more videos on some of the more detailed features of Formik. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.